The purpose of this video is to show you how to play back through the DVR web viewer. This interface comes directly from the DVR, so this is going to show you how to download video. By default, when you open up the playback window, when you click the playback tab, this is what the window will look like. It will automatically open up the first 4 videos. It automatically selects 1 through 4. I always like to play back just 1 video at a time. So I'm going to select the single view, and it brings, by default, it gives me camera 1. You can drop down the box and you can go through here and you can pick out any camera you want to play back. By default, it gives you the current date. You can change the date, so you can select a different date, and you can look down here on the timeline and you can select the timeline. The left side is midnight, and all the way at the right side is midnight. This is a 24-hour timeline. If you want to change this timeline, you can do so by this slide bar down here at the bottom right. If you change this, it will change the increments. So right now we're looking at 10-minute increments. If you go all the way over to the right with this, it'll take it all the way down to 5-minute increments. And this is the 1-hour increments here. So what you want to use this timeline for is to go and find the video that you want to download. You want to make sure that it's actually there. So somebody comes to you and says, hey, something happened about 11 o'clock at this truck. So you go and you look at it about 11 o'clock here. You click on the timeline and it opens up, and there's this truck, and somebody says, yeah, something happened to my truck here. I need you to look at it. And so you're going to go get the video. So you go and you look at it and you go, yep, that's the truck. That's the right time. And so now you're going to download. And let's say you're going to download from 11:01 to 11:03. So you look at this, you say, that's what I want. So then you're going to click stop down here at the bottom left. And then you're going to go over to the bottom right. You're going to click file list. And then you're going to click more. This screen here allows you to select a very specific time that you want to download. Most incidents are very, very short in time, so this allows you to do it. You can download by file, which will download 5-minute increments. You can download by time. We're going to download by time. This is the one that I typically use almost all the time. So here you notice as soon as you open up, log into this window, it automatically fills in the current date, which is the 16th. Do not go over midnight, so don't try to go from May 15th to May 16th, crossing over midnight. Do not do that. Always stay within the same 24-hour day, which is what we're doing here. We're staying within the 16th. So you're going to fill in your time here, so you can just do that by clicking on it and using your keyboard, and you can type in there. So 11 o'clock, 11:01. And then the ending time is 11 o'clock to 11:03. Then once you've put that in, and you click here and you select download, by default the record format is going to show as DAV. DAV is the original format, and you want to download that if you think you're going to get involved with the police or end up in court. If you think you're just using it for internal reasons, then download the ASF. Now you can download one of each and keep the DAV just in case if you want. If you think that something's serious, that's always a good idea, and you don't have to deal with it. You just need to give it to the police or to the lawyer in case you're going to get into a court case. The ASF file, though, allows you to download it, and it will play in a Windows Media Player. The record path here, you can tell it where you wanted to record it. So here you can go, and I'm just going to select the desktop, and I'm sorry, the desktop right there. And then once you do that, you say OK. And then as soon as you do that, then you can click OK. And it automatically begins a timeline here. And it shows you the download progress. And now it's downloading. I've already done this, so I'm not going to waste your time by downloading it. For you, it's going to happen much faster than it is for me, because you are going to be on site and I am off site. So now I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to show you the recorder. I have it right here, and it's going to open up and it plays for you. You can grab a hold of this bar here and you can move the timeline anywhere you want. So you can click on it and you can come over here, you can go over there, or you can even go backwards by clicking there. You can click pause. If you want to take a snapshot, I don't know if you've ever used Snippet, but if you want to take a snapshot of this, there's a tool in Windows. You go to Windows Accessories, and it's called the Snippet tool. I have it on my desktop here. You can click Snippet tool, and it'll open up. And this is what it looks like. You click New, and it automatically shades your screen, and you can take a picture of what's going on. And now I've taken a picture, and then you can click File, and you can do a Save As, and you can save it to your computer. And now you have a picture of what's actually going on there. So, very, very useful tool. So, I trust that this video tutorial was useful for you. Have fun with it.